Hey guys, it's Mrs. Sauceda. I'm here to show you how to do your germination rate of your beans. So you had started some beans. You can go ahead and open up the paper towel and count how many of these actually sprouted out of the 20. You should have 20 beans total to start with. So we're going to count how many sprouted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So out of my 20 beans that I started with, only 13 of them actually sprouted. So now we're going to find out, well, what is the percentage of germination rate here? So to do this, do a simple math problem. So we had 13 out of 20. 13 out of 20. So this is just a math problem, 13 divided by 20. So you could use a calculator if you want. You'll get a decimal, which would be 0.65. Now we're going to take that decimal, and if you multiply that decimal by 100, that will give you the percentage. So our percentage would equal 65% germination rate. So I had 13 out of 20 seeds sprout. That's 0.65. When you do the division, you multiply that by 100, you get 65%. So that's our germination rate. And so you could count your seeds and see what your germination rate is, how many sprouted out of the 20. It's just a two-step math problem. If you have any questions about your seeds, let me know.